It's so stupid how they give you factory.
What's up, everybody? Dante's car's in the air. You know what's going on. You probably don't actually know what's going on.
They have no idea. It's a mystery.
Dante's 5-cylinder JZ that you saw in the previous video being all blown up and stuff is getting pulled out and getting turned into a 6-cylinder JZ, as a JZ should be.
The correct amount of cylinders.
And then while it's out, oh, there it is. It's all dirty. That trans is going in it with an adapter by Brett Collins Adapters. Not sponsored, unfortunately.
Hey, hit us up.
Unless you want to sponsor us.
Yeah, Brett Collins, hit us up. We could use some, some cool adapters.
Yeah, HMU. I don't know what else.
WYD.
Yeah, we're gonna do a bunch of stuff. Well, you'll see. Engine's coming out tonight, though. Maybe getting torn apart. So he got the hood off. Now, also got the radiator out. Pulling the wiring, basically this stuff right here. Then just plop that right over there. Battery will come out. All the AC stuff is going in the trash.
Keeping it sealed, though.
Keeping it sealed because letting it out into the open is bad for the environment.
Yes.
And we care about that.
We care a lot about the environment.
Environment, yeah. Kidding. Throttle cable. And then he's got to lift it back up because he forgot to do everything underneath. Drive shaft, exhaust.
Shifter linkage.
Exhaust. When I say exhaust.
Everything that goes
Who knows
underneath
what
the
else?
car.
Yeah, all that. Dante, say that again.
I don't know what you're talking about.
2JZ, no shit. What's that from?
Yeah, no shit. I don't know what that's from.
What's it from?
I have no idea.
Oh my god.
It starts
I'm
with
on
an
culture.
F and something with Furious.
Fast and Furious. Oh my god, I don't watch movies anymore.
Tuna no crust.
Anymore? What do you mean?
I haven't watched a movie in
Those
so
movies
long.
came out like
Yeah,
when you were 4 years old.
I'm saying that's why I don't fucking remember it. Hate me if you
I
will.
hate you.
Hate me if you will.
All of us hate you.
It's alright. They all love me anyway.
Pops the hood off.
How many of you hate Dante? All of you should.
You should like this video if you hate me.
All right, let's get this bitch out.
Wait. Add my snap. 4v78.
Boom.
Super fast.
Engine's out. Boom. We got a sweet 3F302 transmission for sale. If anybody wants it for some reason. $200.
For a good working.
I'll give it to you for a better price.
Okay, well, it's $200. So Dante is going to pull the trans, pull all the junk off of that, AC compressor and whatnot, and AC lines, and whatever else Dante wants to pull off.
Everything. It all goes. Everything's for sale.
Even him.
For a really low price, actually.
Picking your nose.
You're not really disconnected.
Dante just decided he can make a fucking mess.
Way to go, Dante.
It'll be clean.
Yeah, right. What's that shirt you're wearing, Dante?
Nothing?
Who's Rick?
No, my dad?
Who's Rick?
He's my dad. Anybody in Florida, shouts out.
Actually, yeah, shouts out Ricks. They do good work. If you're in Satellite Beach, Indian Harbor Beach, Beachside, Melbourne, fuck it. Just go Beachside. My boy Rick. Dante's boy Rick. Everybody's boy.
Tell him Sideways Fab sent you, Dante.
Dante from Sideways Fab sent you. You probably won't get a discount, but
He'll still be like, yo, I know that guy.
you'll be like, yo. Dante made a mess, and then he got a drain bucket, and then he made a bigger mess, so I cleaned it up for him. You're welcome, Dante.
Thanks.
Apparently his nickname used to be Oily, and I can see why. It makes total sense. So we got the 2J on the engine stand. Look at Dante's dirty face. He looks like he's been working.
Because I have my finger, I feel like my gloves are clean, and then I touch my face, and then I'm like, my gloves aren't clean.
Okay, fine. But now you get to watch Dante pull it apart. Let's go. we got the head off last night, and it is not good news. That is the cylinder which was having issues, and it is trashed. There's some scoring on the cylinder wall, right about there, which you can't really see. Sort of. And there is a hole in the piston. So, originally we were thinking it was just rings and we were just gonna do a ghetto rebuild on it and put it back together. But, now not so much. So, Dante's gonna be buying some forged internals and just forged pistons, like some JEs or whatever, and doing more of a rebuild than previously planned. Also, if you haven't heard, we're having a car show or car meet here at the shop this weekend, April 1st, 2018, in case you're watching this video way in the future. But car meet here, be here, or be not here. But thanks for watching. Hope you like it. If not, fuck you.